I was able to see them. I didn't think I'd be able to see them that clearly because like, I thought they were like really, really microscopic, you know, like I've never seen phytoplankton a day in my life until today.
This is really cool.
Yeah. This is like a very interactive experience.
I was just throwing a net and catching little sea plankton, and I collected them in my bottle and we're gonna go look at them inside.
It's so important to have places like the Environmental Science Center so that our students can be citizen scientists as they graduate and be a part of the real world.
The program here today was our Climate Heroes. It is our newest of our school field study programs that focuses on coastal acidification and ocean acidification and its impacts on our local oysters. Ocean acidification really ties back to global warming and climate change.
It's important because it teaches you about your ocean and what's in the ocean.
It's so important for the students not to just experience science in isolation, but as a more holistic approach. Climate Heroes has 3 main sections. So we first go into the classroom to give some background information about plankton, about coastal acidification, to prep the students for their field study. And today, they got a chance to come out for 3 hours. They went through 4 different stations. The students got a chance to actually collect their own plankton. So they were throwing plankton nets out into the water and dragging them back in. They then took those samples that they collected to our microscopes, where they got a chance to identify and see what kind of plankton they could find in the samples.
I see it. Let me see it.
Did see some micro worms along with some crab-like and spider micro creatures.
And then we also really wanted to focus on that water chemistry aspect of it. So we had 2 different stations where they were measuring the pH, the salinity, the nitrate, and the phosphate from both the creek that runs through the park, the freshwater creek, as well as water from the sound.
20. It's sort of above 20, but it's sort of half.
The students are able to identify, oh my gosh, this is actually a living creature. This is moving. And so then what are we doing in our homes that is causing the runoff, that is getting into the streams, that is then getting into the Puget Sound? Now they're able to make more of that connection because they're like, whoa, it all starts back with us.
Pollution mainly comes from us humans in the city and like half of the things we do. And over time, the more we pollute the ocean, the more these guys like expand.
This experience is a core memory for them. And then they can think back, oh, okay, what did I learn on that field trip? I kind of remember something, and now I'm reading this article in the newspaper about, you know, salmon. What was it about that field trip that I was learning that now is happening, and now I can probably make a difference as a voting citizen, as a citizen scientist, and as maybe take part in a stream restoration or a beach cleanup. So that's why it's important for students to have these experiences now so they can take them into their future lives.
What has been done to our ecosystem can keep getting worsened if we don't do anything to change it. But if we can do something to change it, then all this wildlife can live in a healthy environment.
We got one Earth, right? We got one planet. And if we mess it up, where are we gonna move to?
If we could influence more people to better take care of themselves in the city, that way we're like less polluted in the ocean, then it would be better overall for everybody.